When asked what the most important technology tools to use in the first grade are, there is no direct answer to this question. There are so many technology tools available, but there is no way to discuss them all. And even if there were a way to discuss them all, by the time I finish discussing them, they will be outdated and replaced with a newer technological tool. I would have to say that some of the most important for the time being are blogs, both for the classroom and the individual students, podcasts, Skype, YouTube, social media such as Twitter. There are also various educational sites with games and interactive experiences in which students can learn while they're playing. Prezi, iCurio, Glogster, and of course the Smartboard. No matter what age a student is, technology is usually at the center of their lives. It's everywhere. Even infants have toys that use vast amounts of technology. So why wouldn't it be used for 6- and 7-year-olds? Not only can I use tools to enhance their learning environments, but I can use these tools to help teach in an entirely different way. Using several technological tools in the classroom will allow students to think outside of the box and use their creativity. Using technology is also important to play off of students and your own interests. If you have a student interested in writing, then you should use blogs. If you have a highly creative student, Prezi and Glogster would be a great way for them to show off their creativity. I plan to teach the first grade, and I also plan to have a class blog that I use to keep parents and students updated with assignments and what is going on in our classroom. I would love to be able to post pictures every week or month, depending. I plan to teach first grade and think that a blog is a great tool for them to learn about not only our country, but people from across the world. We could use Skype to interview or talk with people and learn about others' cultures and traditions, geographical information, other classes' learning styles, stuff like that. Twitter would be a great resource for me personally to share problems, help others with their questions, and find links that I ultimately would not have known about. I would also love to teach my students how to podcast. I am intrigued by podcasting and look forward to learning more. Of course, I'll use the Smartboard in my class as well. There are so many awesome lessons that revolve around the Smartboard and allow students to become interactive and involved. I also plan to use Voki, Glogster, and Prezi to present information in ways that visual learners will best understand specific standards. These are only a few of the technological tools that I plan to use in my future classroom.